We're here at Golden Corral. Jade is going to eat broccoli, which she doesn't like, and Nick is going to eat watermelon, which he doesn't like. This is the eat what you don't like challenge. At the same time, are you ready?
Cheers. 1, 2, come on, 3.
Eat it! That.
Eat it, Doc. Or you're grounded. Come on. Done.
Winner.
Ugh. Ah. Ugh. Bite, bite, swallow. Bite, bite, swallow. Bite, bite, swallow. Come on. It's that quick. That's what I just did. Come on.
We're good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Come on, dude. You can do it. Come on. Stop chewing so much. Just swallow the damn thing.
Too big.
Swallow it. Swallow what you can and then chew down the rest instead of chewing the same stuff over and over again. Haven't you never taught them how to eat something they don't like to eat?
She forces a
Take it.
Jade, are you crying? No. Look at her eyes.
Come on, Jada, just swallow. That's all you gotta do. Challenge complete. Come on. See, you're the reason this challenge is taking forever. I just wanted to get it done and over with. I bite, 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 swallow, and that's it. Done. And I even looked like I was gonna puke a couple of times. I didn't even lie. Don't like it. Come on. You can do it. Swallow. Don't spit it in your shirt. Don't spit it in your shirt. That's nasty. Is it right here?
It's disgusting.
Yeah, swallow. Hurry. Hey, stop. Swallow. Hurry up. Swallow. Swallow. As quick as you can. You failed. She spit it out. She failed. Huh?
World star.